Imagine waking up to a clutter-free kitchen, where every utensil has its place and cooking feels easy, organized, and stress-free. Sounds like a dream, right? Naomi Home presents the Rachel Traditional Kitchen Cabinet. This cabinet seamlessly blends timeless style with functionality. Its 2 drawers and 7 shelves give you all the storage space you need for your favorite cookbooks, kitchen gadgets, and more. Transform your kitchen, simplify your mornings, make space for what matters. This traditional kitchen cabinet comes in various colors such as gray oak, rustic brown, distressed black, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.